Hey, Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. So I want to read this really cool thing. Email from Mark. He's been keeping in touch with me, but this one came in, I think it was yesterday. But he's he started just not too long ago. Like he started some time ago, but it actually got serious like a week ago. This says, "Hey Steve, update. I signed on the one-man auto shop in addition to the appraiser, so that's two different businesses. We'll start working on his books next week. So 12 cold emails to Craigslist ads for people looking for part-time bookkeepers, resulting in 2 clients, which is one of the many ways that I recommend finding bookkeeping clients, is looking through Craigslist, looking for people looking for part-time work. One of the many. Okay, I think that is a pretty good win rate, and I am sure not typical. But you never know what fish you can catch until you drop your line in the water. I always talk about the fishing analogy. You know, you got to throw a lot of lines in the water with different types of bait and see what bites. Total of $2,500 setup, cleanup fees plus $900 per month, or $10,800 per year with these 2 clients. Once set up, they should take more than 8 to 10 hours per month to maintain. Thanks again for all your help and assistance. I truly see this as my retirement life work gig. Pick up the number of clients I want to work with and maybe work 15 to 20 hours per week. I am planning to retire late summer, so this is a great start. Have a great weekend. Thanks, Mark." So this stuff happens all the time. I get these types of things all the time. Another very nice success story. So if he can do it, you can do it. It's just a matter of doing what I suggest in the course. So if you haven't seen the course, haven't heard about the course, this is your first exposure to me, check out the links below, or you can just go to BookkeepingLife.com and you can learn about the course and what I offer, which is a couple decades worth of experience, and teach people how to start and grow their own virtual bookkeeping businesses, and it works. All right, I hope you have a great day. Take care.